Hey there, web builders! Are you ready to dive into the wonderful world of responsive design? In this video, we're going to explore how to create and customize awesome hamburger menus using the Jupyter X theme and Elementor. Specifically, we'll be tackling both the navigation menu widget and the advanced menu widget, so you can make your website look fantastic on any screen size. And if you're new here, Jupyter X is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme trusted by over 200,000 users. It replaces Elementor Pro with built-in tools, includes 450-plus ready-made websites, and comes with a one-time payment instead of recurring fees. Let's get started. Let's start with the advanced menu widget. Add a new one or edit an existing widget to get started. Let's expand the layout section to explore its settings, where we can adjust how the menu looks and responds. Opening the layout dropdown reveals different menu structures you can pick to change its appearance on the page. For example, this drop-down layout is useful for designing mobile view headers, where the menu items open only after clicking and expanding the header. Let's take a peek. For this tutorial, we'll pick the off-canvas option to showcase the hamburger menu. Let's start by changing the position to left and take a look at our hamburger menu. I'm resetting the position to right, so the hamburger menu sits on the right side for a right-aligned navigation. Next, let's explore the appear effects. We're going to switch things up a bit and select the push effect. This changes how the menu appears on the website, giving it a cool sliding entrance instead of just overlaying the content. Let's test that by clicking the menu icon and watching the content slide with the push effect. Once you're happy with the setup, hit Publish to make your hamburger menu live for visitors. Open the menu by clicking the button and take a look at how it appears and works for users. Alright, so we've just covered the advanced menu widget, and now it's time to dive into the navigation menu widget. I've already opened my header template editor in a separate tab. Add or edit a navigation menu widget to access the controls for turning the menu into a hamburger menu. Once the navigation menu's added, open its settings by clicking this settings section to configure the layout. You'll see this layout drop-down selector, which lets you choose the layout of the navigation menu beyond its breakpoint. You'll see two choices, horizontal and vertical. In the navigation menu widget, the breakpoint setting determines the display width at which the menu switches from showing a list of items to using an open function, like a hamburger menu. By setting the breakpoint to desktop, you can make your navigation menu appear in hamburger menu mode on all devices. Alright, with the desired breakpoint selected, we can now explore different menu layout options. The side menu is selected by default, so let's take a look at it and then try out the other options. Let's change it to the full screen menu and take a look. And now, the drop-down layout, which stretches the menu and displays its items. It's ideal for mobile view menus. Once everything looks good, hit Publish to make your design live for visitors. And there you have it. We've covered how to use both the navigation menu and advanced menu widgets in Jupyter X to create super responsive and stylish hamburger menus. Now you can confidently design menus that look great on desktops, tablets, and mobiles. Thanks for watching, and happy building!